know you can make yogurt that is very pocket friendly for your family? Yes, you can achieve this using soya beans. And the process is actually very simple if you follow these steps carefully. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make smooth, thick and delicious soya yogurt at home. Now let's get started. Our main ingredient for this recipe is soya beans. I already cleaned the soya beans behind the camera to remove small stones, dirt and bad seeds. This cleansing step is very important so your milk will be clean and your yogurt will taste good. Now, I will measure 2 cups of soya beans into a bowl. Add enough water to cover them. Then cover the bowl and allow it to soak overnight. Soaking helps to soften the beans, makes blending easier and also helps reduce the beany taste. This is the following day. I will drain the overnight soaking water and then add fresh clean water to rinse the soya beans. I will rinse them multiple times until the water becomes very clean. Washing very well at this stage helps improve the taste and smell of the soya milk. Next, I will transfer the soya beans into a blender. Add some clean water and blend until very smooth. Make sure you blend very well so you can extract as much milk as possible from the beans. Once the blending is smooth, I'll transfer it to a bowl and repeat the same process for the remaining beans. Once we are done blending, I will extract the milk using a chiffon cloth. So I will pour some of the blended mixture into the chiffon cloth and squeeze very well to extract the soya milk. After squeezing out all the milk, I will set the soya pulp aside. Don't throw the pulp away. It can be used for akara, pancake or animal feed. Then I transfer the extracted soya milk into a cooking pot and repeat the same process for the remaining blended soya beans until all the milk is extracted. After extraction, it is time to cook the soya milk. I will cook it on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step is very important because it removes the raw soya beans taste and smell and also improves the flavor of the yogurt. Make sure you stir occasionally so the milk does not burn at the bottom of the pot. After cooking, I will allow the milk to cool down a bit, not completely. Then I will filter the milk again using a sieve to remove any lumps so we can have very smooth yogurt. Before we proceed to the next step, we have to wait until the temperature of the milk comes down to about 42 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Temperature is very important in yogurt making because if the milk is too hot, it will kill the starter bacteria, and if it is too cold, the yogurt will not form properly. I will be using a kitchen thermometer to check the temperature, but if you don't have a thermometer, you can do the hand test. Take a little of the milk and put it at the back of your hand. If you can withstand the heat for about 5 seconds, then the temperature is okay for adding the starter. However, I highly recommend using a thermometer because it is more accurate. Next, I will bring in the yogurt starter we made earlier. If you don't know how we made this starter, please check the pinned comment for the link to that video. Now, I will take some of the starter, put it into a bowl, add a little warm soya milk and mix until very smooth using a hand mixer. This step helps the starter mix well without forming lumps. After mixing, I will add more milk and mix again before pouring everything into the bowl of soya milk. Then I will stir very well so everything is properly combined. After mixing, I will cover the bowl with a lid, then wrap it with a nylon bag, and then wrap again with a kitchen towel to keep it warm. Then I will keep it inside a cooler or warm place and allow it to rest for 18 to 24 hours so the yogurt can form properly. Now, this is the 24th hour. Let's open it and see how our yogurt looks. As you can see, it has formed very nicely. I will scoop some with a spoon so you can see how thick it is. Now, it is time to turn it into delicious yogurt. I will blend it smooth using a stick blender. Once smooth, I will add some sugar to sweeten it and then divide it into 3 portions. To the first bowl, I will add strawberry flavor, mix well, then add a little pink food coloring to give it that beautiful strawberry color and mix again. To the second bowl, I will add banana flavor, mix, then add a little yellow food coloring to give it that nice banana color. The third one, I will leave plain without adding any flavor. Next, it is time to bottle the yogurt. Using a funnel, I will pour the yogurt into a plastic bottles, then place them in the refrigerator to chill. Just like that, you have made delicious homemade soya yogurt for your family using simple ingredients you can easily afford. This yogurt tastes very good, is very nutritious, and is easy to make. Now you know you can always make yogurt for your loved ones with just a little money and some patience. Give this a try and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching, and watch out for another plant-based yogurt in our upcoming video. God bless.